Okay, so you've decided that you want to build a blog, and now you have to decide what's going to be your niche. Now, obviously, you're not just going to choose any niche, you want it to be a profitable niche. But there's a lot of factors that go into this, right? And I think the most important thing is that you end up choosing products and services that already have been validated in the market. If you choose products that nobody knows about or doesn't have like significant branding to it, it's going to be a lot harder for it to convert on the back end when people actually click on your links inside your blog and go over to these sales pages. If these sales pages aren't optimized and they don't recognize recognizable products, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to continue getting conversions on the back end. So to choose your profitable niche, you really have to do some homework. You have to choose a niche that's evergreen. And by evergreen, I just mean that it's going to be the same 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now as it would be 10 years from now. These are going to be solutions to problems that people are always going to have. And it really falls into 3 categories. A great way to choose a profitable niche is to choose something that you're passionate about. You've got skill or experience, or it's a hobby or something that you're interested in. Many people who have been successful building blogs blog about their own personal journeys. There's a quote that says that facts tell, stories sell. And if you want people to follow you and know, like, and trust you, especially in certain niches, like, say, for example, weight loss. Like if you documented in your blog your weight loss, maybe you lost 30 pounds or 50 pounds, or you had a weight loss transformation, maybe you lost 100 pounds. You could create a blog that documents every step, all the products maybe that you took, all the exercise equipment you bought, the personal training that maybe you purchased from either a big box store or an online coach or something like that. If you document your process, people want to know the solution to a particular issue like weight loss. And if they're going to be interested in your journey and story, they're going to say, hey, if this person got results using a specific type of training program or supplement or something, they're looking to you as to maybe recommending a specific one. So if you just choose something that you're passionate about or you have experience in, that's going to make your first blog that much easier. And the last thing you're going to want to do is build a profitable blog, but it's going to burn you out in the end because either you lose interest or it's just not really a topic that you're familiar with or really comfortable about continuing to extrapolate on. And the more you post on your blog, you're going to position yourself within a subcategory of really 3 main evergreen niches. You do not have to stay inside of these three main evergreen niches. These are just an example of the ones that people have the most pain points with. These niches are commonly referred to as the health, wealth, and love and relationships niche. Health, because people always want to get in better shape. They either want to lose more weight or eat better. Wealth, because, let's call it like it is. With an increase in your finances, if you're making more money, it allows you to do more things. It allows you to take more vacations and spoil your family and buy a bigger house and have better health care, right? There's all these things that you can do that come with wealth. And then love and relationships. People always want to have better relationships with each other, with their children. They want to go out, and find a partner. So if you focus on these particular profitable niches that are evergreen, people are always going to be having problems within these niches, then you can create a profitable blog that's going to last a lifetime. So you might be asking yourself, where do I find good affiliate products to promote? Well, that's what we're going to cover in the next video.